Today, we're gonna talk about something we all have in our homes, clothes dryers. Now, if you're someone who's always on the go or living in a small space, you know that air drying your clothes isn't always an option. That's where a dryer comes in handy. It can suck out all that moisture from your clothes in just about an hour. How amazing is that? First off, they have these awesome stainless steel drums. Why is that important, you ask? Well, stainless steel drums are not only durable, but they also resist chipping and snagging, which means your clothes stay in tip-top shape. No more accidental fabric damage. Now, here's where things get really cool. The top-notch dryers come equipped with sensors. Yeah, you heard me right, sensors. These little smart features prevent your clothes from over-drying. Say goodbye to crispy shirts or shrunk sweaters. These sensors make sure your clothes come out perfectly dry without any damage. These dryers also have something called a delay cycle. This means you can set the dryer to start at a specific time, like when you're sleeping or away from home, so your loads are finished exactly when you want them to be. It's all about convenience. We gotta talk about energy conservation. The best dryers out there are designed to conserve energy. Those smart sensors we mentioned earlier play a role here too. They help the dryer understand when your clothes are dry enough and stop the drying process. This not only saves you money on energy bills, but also reduces the wear and tear on your clothes. It's a win-win situation. Now, let's get started. All the links mentioned in this review video are in the description below. At number 5, we're going to talk about the Electrolux Stackable Steam Cycle Clothes Dryer. And let me tell you, if you're all about getting those laundry cycles done super fast, this dryer is the one for you. First off, this dryer offers speedy drying performance. With its quick cycle, you can have your clothes dry and ready to go in just 15 minutes. That's lightning fast. And who doesn't love saving time? Next up, let's talk about its modern-looking exterior. This dryer sports a sleek stainless steel finish, available in both white and black. It's a real eye-catcher and will blend perfectly with any contemporary laundry room decor. So, if style is important to you, this dryer definitely delivers. Now, here's a feature that many of us can appreciate: wrinkle removal. The Electrolux dryer comes with instant refresh, perfect steam, and wrinkle release cycle, ensuring that your clothes stay looking fresh and wrinkle-free. Say goodbye to ironing for hours. This dryer does the job for you. One drawback is that the short cycles work best with smaller loads. So, if you have a massive pile of laundry to tackle, you might need to split it up into a few loads to get the best results. It's a minor inconvenience, but it's worth mentioning. The dimensions of this dryer are 27 by 38 by 31.5 inches, making it a compact yet efficient option. It offers a capacity of 8 cubic feet, allowing you to handle larger loads without any problem. And in terms of venting, it's vented, which is the traditional way to go. Now, picture this: you accidentally spill a glass of water on your pants right before you're about to head out. No worries. This Electrolux dryer has got your back. It's designed to handle delicate items with care, so you can trust it to dry your clothes without causing any damage. But that's not all. This dryer goes the extra mile to ensure your clothes are as fresh as can be. It features an allergen cycle that gets hot enough to kill those pesky dust mites. So, if you have any allergies or sensitivity, this dryer has got you covered. And let's not forget the convenience factor. The large 8 cubic foot drum allows you to tackle those big loads effortlessly. And when it's time to take your clothes out, you won't leave anything behind because the drum is illuminated. No more searching for that one sock that got left behind. One more thing worth mentioning is the warranty. This dryer comes with a 10-year warranty on its drive motor, a lifetime warranty on the tub, and 1 year of parts and labor coverage. That's a pretty solid warranty package, giving you peace of mind. At number 4, we're going to talk about the best design in home appliances. And let me tell you, we've got a real gem for you. Introducing the GE 7.8 cubic feet stackable steam cycle electric dryer. This dryer is a game changer, and here's why. First things first, let's talk about its looks. Just look at that attractive blue finish. It's absolutely stunning and will instantly become the star of your laundry room. But we all know that looks aren't everything. It wirelessly links to the matching washer. Imagine this, folks: you can make cycle selections for both the washer and dryer all at once. Talk about convenience. It comes with an integrated steamer. Say goodbye to those pesky wrinkles and static buildup on your clothes. This dryer has got you covered. Looking sharp has never been easier. One con we found is that it doesn't dry bedding as well as some other models. So, if you're someone who frequently dries bedding, you might want to consider that. Now, let's take a quick look at the key specs. This dryer measures 28 by 39.75 by 32 inches, and it has a generous capacity of 7.8 cubic feet. But let's get back to the good stuff. Not only does it look amazing, but it also performs like a champ. It has stellar drying power for clothing and towels, and it can dry small loads in just 23 minutes. That's lightning fast. Some other cool features include an oversized stainless steel drum, which means more room for your laundry. It also has a power steam cycle that helps fight off wrinkles. And get this, it even has Wi-Fi connectivity. You can monitor your laundry from afar or start and stop cycles remotely. How cool is that? If you decide to get the matching washing machine, it wirelessly sends the ideal dry settings to your dryer. So, all you have to do is hit that start button after transferring your clothes. It doesn't get easier than that. At number 3, we've got something really exciting to talk about, the LG Turbo Steam Electric Clothes Dryer. If you're all about having the largest capacity dryer out there, then this one's for you. First off, it's all about speed with this dryer. The quick dry times will have your clothes ready in a jiffy, saving you precious time. And get this, the drum is a whopping 22% bigger than your average size dryers. That means you can fit even more clothes in there and say goodbye to multiple drying cycles. Another cool feature is the child lock. If you have little ones running around, this will give you peace of mind knowing that they won't accidentally mess with the dryer settings. One thing to note is that the unusual proportions of this dryer can make it a bit challenging to fit into your space. So, if you have a small laundry room or a tight laundry closet, you might want to consider the dimensions carefully. Speaking of dimensions, this LG Turbo Steam Dryer measures 29 by 40.8 by 32.1 inches. Keep that in mind while planning where to place it. And the capacity, a whopping 9 cubic feet. You can practically dump a mountain of clothes in there and still have room to spare. Now, this dryer is vented, which means it needs proper ventilation to operate efficiently. Just make sure you have a vent system in place or plan for one during installation. Let's talk about the design and features. This LG dryer rocks an attractive black stainless steel exterior with a gorgeous glass portal. It'll definitely add a touch of style to any laundry room. And guess what? It has a fingerprint-proof finish, so no more smudges ruining the sleek look. When it comes to performance, this dryer doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with turbo steam technology that can remove odors and eliminate wrinkles in just 10 minutes. Say goodbye to smelly clothes and time-consuming ironing. And get this, you can even control the dryer with your smartphone. Just download the free app and voila! You can monitor your laundry remotely, and even stop or check the status of the running cycle. If you have a big family or simply despise doing laundry, this LG dryer is a dream come true. It's loaded with over a dozen cycles to cater to all your drying needs. And don't worry about those late-night laundry sessions. The bright drum light will guide your way. Now, here's the cherry on top. This dryer comes with a 1-year parts and labor warranty, and guess what? The direct drive motor is covered for an additional 9 years. That's some serious peace of mind right there. Coming in at number 2, we're going to talk about the most innovative dryer on the market, the Samsung Electric Flex Dry Dryer. This baby is a game changer, so let's dive right into it. One major advantage of this dryer is its lightning-fast drying time. It can dry a full load of laundry in just 30 minutes. That's super impressive. Plus, if you have delicate items that need special care, this dryer has got you covered. It's fantastic for drying undergarments, sweaters, and other delicate pieces. Another great feature is the anti-static cycle. Say goodbye to annoying static cling. This dryer packs a useful anti-static cycle that will leave your clothes looking fresh and static-free. Unfortunately, this dryer isn't stackable, so keep that in mind if you have limited space in your laundry room. But let's focus on the positives here because this dryer has so much to offer. In terms of key specs, the dimensions of this dryer are 27 by 46.9 by 32.5 inches, and it has a capacity of 7.5 cubic feet. It's vented, so make sure you have proper ventilation in your laundry area. What sets this dryer apart from the rest is its 2-in-1 design. It's like having 2 dryers in one. The top part is a standstill dryer where you can place your delicate items, while the large drum below is perfect for everything else. You have the flexibility to use the dryers separately or together, depending on your needs. How cool is that? Now, let's talk about the design. This dryer is an absolute stunner with its sleek black stainless steel finish. It will add a touch of elegance to your laundry room. The large touch display is not only inviting but also incredibly easy to use. And here's a neat feature. The Samsung Electric Flex Dry Dryer comes with a built-in dome light. No more accidentally leaving clothes behind. But wait, there's more. This dryer is packed with smart sensors. It has a vent sensor that can detect blockages in the duct, reminding you when it's time to clean the dryer's vent. It also has a sensor that optimizes the drying time and temperature to prevent heat damage and ensure your clothes are perfectly dry. Plus, it features a built-in steamer that minimizes wrinkling, odors, germs, and static. You don't have to constantly refill a water reservoir after each load. It's hassle-free. When it comes to drying cycles, this dryer has you covered. It offers a whopping 12 drying cycles and 5 temperature settings. Whether you need to dry delicate fabrics, bulky items, or even sanitize your bedding, this dryer can handle it all. And here's a bonus: despite its large size, it's surprisingly energy efficient. So, you can save on both time and energy. Finally, coming in at number 1, we're diving into the world of laundry appliances, and we've got a real gem for you. We're talking about the best overall clothes dryer on the market, the LG TruSteam Smart Clothes Dryer. First off, this dryer has a shallow depth, which means it's super easy to store in your closets. No more worrying about space issues. Plus, the door is reversible, giving you flexibility in terms of how you set it up. And let's not forget about the durability of the drum. It's built to last for several years, so you can count on it for the long haul. Some users have mentioned that the control pad is a bit cramped. It might take a little getting used to, but once you get the hang of it, it's smooth sailing. Now, let's talk about the key specs. The LG TruSteam measures 27 by 39 by 30.1 inches, providing a decent size for your laundry needs. It has a capacity of 7.4 cubic feet, giving you plenty of room to dry a load of laundry. And it's vented, which means it effectively removes moisture from your clothes, leaving them nice and dry. One of the standout features of this dryer is its versatility. It offers 12 different dry cycles and 5 drying temperatures to choose from. So whether you want a quick dry or a gentle cycle for delicate fabrics, this dryer has got you covered. And here's something that I absolutely love: the built-in steamer and wrinkle care feature. Say goodbye to pesky wrinkles. This dryer will tumble your clothes without heat until you're ready to take them out, keeping them wrinkle-free and ready to wear. Now, let's talk about convenience. The LG TruSteam dryer comes with smart features that make your life easier. You can sync it with your Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant speaker, allowing you to check the status of your drying job and even turn the dryer off and on remotely. How cool is that? It even has reminders to clean the ducts and lint filter. No more forgetting to maintain your dryer properly. In terms of aesthetics, this dryer comes in 2 sleek finishes, white or black steel. It's not only functional, but also adds a touch of style to your laundry room. And with its spacious 7.4 cubic foot capacity, you can fit a whole bunch of laundry in there. We're talking 18 towels, a king-sized comforter, or about 3 baskets of laundry. Now, that's impressive. That's all we had for today. Check out the links in the description for pricing and availability. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful.